Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can set up your Tally integration ledger to do Tally integration. In order to do a successful Tally integration, you need to define or map your ledger same as Tally in TranZact in order to go ahead and do that. How you can define the ledgers? You need to go in Tally integration module. On your left hand side, you will see Tally integration module. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in Tally integration, you need to go in ledger settings. This is the list of ledgers which you can define. So the very first which you need to define, that is the sales and purchase ledger. Always do remember that the ledger which you will be defining in Tally integration module should be same as your Tally for successful integration, as because those vouchers which will get integrated in your Tally in those ledger. So you can click on add purchase ledger, you can put the ledger name, description as per your Tally, and then you can add the purchase ledger. Now going next, which is the tax ledger. So on each and every document there comes a tax part where we define that it is a SGST, IGST or CGST. So accordingly you can define it in the default tax ledger of input or output as per your sales and purchase. So here, suppose this is SGST 2.5 or CGST 14%. If I go below, it's IGST 12%. So you need to just hover on this three dot, click on edit, and you need to define the ledger name of your Tally, which is available in Tally. Accordingly, it will get mapped on the document. So just fill the details and save details. You can do same for other taxes as well. Same going in the other taxes. If that is not in the default part, you can define it in the other taxes. Click on add other tax ledgers, input or output, and accordingly you can define the ledgers. Always do remember that whatever the ledger you are defining on TranZact should be same as Tally. Here is other ledgers input. You can define in discount ledger, additional charges ledger, round off ledger, or TCS ledger. Very well, you can go ahead and just click on this plus option, and then after you can define it for the discount additional charges. Same you can define for the output as well. Then here comes the journal entry ledger. Journal entry ledger is used for the split payments, the TDS. You can define it from here. So just click on this plus symbol, and then after you can define the journal entry ledgers. So please check here, you can define it for the input and output. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while defining ledgers. Have a good day ahead.